We're a Maison of dry cleaners because we understand the importance of every one of your garments is in your wardrobe. When you look at the investments that you've made and the sacrifices that you've made to wear fine Italian garments, we want you to be comfortable or equally as comfortable letting us have the privilege of servicing those garments to make sure we deliver on that experience. At Sudsies, it's so important that you're confident with us that we're able to deliver and make sure your guest experience is nothing less or nothing short of perfection.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.